Welcome to our guide on using focus music, specifically binaural beats, to enhance your deep work sessions. In today's fast-paced world, distractions are everywhere, making it challenging to concentrate on important tasks. Focus music, especially binaural beats, offers a scientifically backed method to help you achieve a state of deep concentration. Whether you're working, studying, or creating, this technique can help you block out distractions and maximize productivity. Let's explore how binaural beats work, why they're effective, and practical ways to integrate them into your daily routine for deep work. Binaural beats are a form of auditory illusion created when two slightly different frequencies are played in each ear. Your brain perceives a third tone, which is the difference between the two frequencies. This phenomenon can influence brainwave activity, helping you reach states of focus, relaxation, or creativity. Unlike regular music, binaural beats are designed to synchronize your brainwaves, making them ideal for deep work. Understanding how binaural beats function is crucial before you start using them, as it helps you choose the right frequencies for your goals. When you listen to binaural beats, your brain responds by aligning its electrical activity to the frequency difference between the tones. This process, known as brainwave entrainment, can help you enter a state of deep focus. For example, frequencies in the beta range, 1330 Hz, are associated with alertness and concentration, while alpha waves, 812 Hz, promote relaxation. By selecting the appropriate frequency, you can tailor your listening experience to match your desired mental state, making binaural beats a powerful tool for deep work. Focus music, especially binaural beats, offers several benefits for deep work. It helps reduce distractions, increases concentration, and can even improve mood. Many users report feeling more productive and less stressed when listening to binaural beats during tasks that require sustained attention. Additionally, focus music can create a consistent auditory environment, making it easier to enter a flow state. These advantages make it a valuable addition to your productivity toolkit. Selecting the right frequency is key to maximizing the benefits of binaural beats. For deep work, beta frequencies, 1330 Hz, are most effective, as they promote alertness and focus. If you need to relax before starting, alpha frequencies, 812 Hz, can help calm your mind. Many apps and playlists offer a range of frequencies, so experiment to find what works best for you. Remember, the ideal frequency may vary depending on the task and your personal preferences. A well-organized workspace enhances the effectiveness of focus music. Start by minimizing visual and auditory distractions. Use comfortable headphones to ensure optimal sound quality. Place your device within easy reach and adjust the volume to a comfortable level. Consider using noise-canceling headphones for maximum immersion. Creating a dedicated environment for deep work helps reinforce the habit and makes it easier to enter a state of concentration. The type of headphones you use can impact your focus music experience. Over-ear headphones are generally preferred for their comfort and sound isolation. Noise-canceling models are ideal for blocking out external sounds, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in binaural beats. If you prefer portability, in-ear headphones can also work, but ensure they deliver clear stereo sound. Investing in good headphones is worthwhile for anyone serious about deep work. There are many sources for focus music and binaural beats playlists. Streaming platforms like Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Music offer curated playlists designed for concentration and productivity. Look for tracks labeled as binaural beats or focus music. You can also find specialized apps that generate custom binaural beats based on your preferences. Explore different options to discover what resonates with you. Focus music apps offer advanced features for customizing your listening experience. Many apps allow you to select specific frequencies, set timers, and track your productivity. Some even integrate with task management tools, helping you stay organized while you work. Explore apps like Brain, FM, Endel, or MyNoise to find the right fit for your workflow. These tools make it easy to incorporate binaural beats into your daily routine. The volume and duration of your focus music sessions can affect their effectiveness. Keep the volume at a comfortable level, loud enough to mask distractions, but not so loud that it becomes overwhelming. Most people find 30-90-minute sessions ideal for deep work. If you're new to binaural beats, start with shorter sessions and gradually increase the duration as you become accustomed to the experience. Consistency is key when using focus music for deep work. Establish a routine by scheduling regular sessions at the same time each day. Pair your listening with specific tasks, such as writing, coding, or studying. Over time, your brain will associate binaural beats with focused work, making it easier to enter a productive state. A routine helps reinforce the habit and maximizes the benefits of focus music. The Pomodoro technique is a popular productivity method that pairs well with focus music. Set a timer for 25 minutes of deep work, followed by a 5-minute break. Listen to binaural beats during each work interval to enhance concentration. This combination helps you maintain focus, manage fatigue, and track your progress throughout the day. Try integrating focus music into your Pomodoro sessions for optimal results. While focus music can help mask distractions, it's important to minimize interruptions in your environment. Silence notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and inform others that you're in a deep work session. The combination of binaural beats and a distraction-free workspace creates the ideal conditions for sustained concentration and productivity. Focus music is especially effective for tasks that require sustained attention, such as writing, coding, reading, and studying. It can also help during creative activities like brainstorming or designing. Avoid using binaural beats for tasks that require frequent interaction or multitasking, as the benefits are greatest when you can concentrate fully on a single activity. Everyone responds differently to focus music and binaural beats. Experiment with different frequencies, playlists, and session lengths to find what works best for you. Some people prefer instrumental tracks, while others enjoy ambient sounds. Personalizing your listening experience ensures you get the most out of your deep work sessions. Research supports the effectiveness of binaural beats for improving focus and productivity. Studies have shown that listening to specific frequencies can enhance cognitive performance, reduce stress, and increase motivation. While results may vary, many users report noticeable improvements in their ability to concentrate during deep work sessions. Understanding the science behind binaural beats can help you use them more effectively. While focus music and binaural beats are effective for many people, they may not work for everyone. Some users find the sounds distracting or experience little benefit. It's important to listen to your own preferences and adjust your approach as needed. If binaural beats don't suit you, try other types of focus music or explore alternative concentration techniques. Focus music and binaural beats are generally safe for most people. However, those with epilepsy or certain neurological conditions should consult a healthcare professional before using binaural beats. Avoid listening at excessively high volumes to protect your hearing. If you experience discomfort or headaches, stop the session and try a different approach. To get the most out of focus music, integrate it into your daily routine. Use binaural beats during work, study, or creative sessions. Pair them with morning rituals or evening wind downs to reinforce positive habits. Over time, focus music can become a powerful cue for entering a productive state, helping you achieve more with less effort. Monitoring your productivity can help you assess the impact of focus music. Use journals, apps, or spreadsheets to track your deep work sessions and note any changes in concentration or output. Reviewing your progress helps you refine your approach and identify what works best for you. Focus music can be combined with other productivity tools for even greater results. Use task lists, time management apps, or goal-setting frameworks alongside binaural beats. This integrated approach helps you stay organized, motivated, and focused throughout your workday. Students can benefit from focus music during study sessions. Binaural beats help maintain concentration, reduce stress, and improve information retention. Create a study routine that includes focus music to make learning more effective and enjoyable. Creative professionals can use focus music to enhance brainstorming, designing, and problem-solving. Binaural beats foster a relaxed yet alert mental state, making it easier to generate ideas and stay engaged with creative tasks. Experiment with different tracks to find what inspires you. Remote workers often face unique distractions. Focus music can help create a consistent work environment, mask household noise, and signal the start of a deep work session. Incorporate binaural beats into your remote work routine to boost productivity and maintain concentration. Focus music isn't just for solo tasks, it can also benefit group work. Play binaural beats or instrumental tracks during collaborative sessions to foster a calm, focused atmosphere. This approach helps teams stay on task and reduces unnecessary chatter, making meetings more productive. While focus music is designed for concentration, it can also be used for relaxation. Lower frequencies, such as theta or delta waves, promote calm and help you unwind after intense work. Try listening to relaxing binaural beats during breaks or at the end of your workday to recharge. Binaural beats can enhance meditation by helping you reach deeper states of relaxation and mindfulness. Use tracks with theta or delta frequencies to support your meditation practice. Focus music creates a peaceful environment, making it easier to let go of distractions and focus inward. Some people use binaural beats to improve sleep quality. Tracks with delta frequencies, 0.54 Hz, encourage deep sleep and relaxation. Listen to these beats before bedtime to help your mind unwind and prepare for restful sleep. Focus music isn't just for work, it can support your overall well-being. To get the most out of focus music, use it consistently, experiment with different tracks, and pair it with productivity techniques. Adjust your environment, headphones, and session length to suit your needs. Stay mindful of your responses and refine your approach as you gain experience. Focus music, especially binaural beats, is a powerful tool for deep work. By understanding how it works, choosing the right frequencies, and integrating it into your routine, you can enhance concentration, productivity, and well-being. Start experimenting with focus music today and discover how it can transform your work and study sessions.